Hello my friends, so I decided to make a little video because I wanted to share with you guys which knife I like the most. I'm a big fan of knives, I have some now. As you can see, I got a little collection here. But yeah, I've got really a few knives that I really have always with me, and it's none of these actually, but it's this one. It's the Victorinox Huntsman. I have this knife always with me. So I have it in my bag, so it's not always really right on my person. Usually right on my person I would have something like this, which is really light and I cannot feel on me and use it when I need it. But this one is the one that I used actually the most, that got me out of problems sometimes. I like this knife so much that I have it. When I bought it, it was still in francs, so it was I'm not quite sure how much, but it was pretty expensive for me when I was like 15 or 13, I don't know. But I have this knife for more than 15 years now, and I have it always on me. I like it so much that actually I lost this one. It was lost for about 2 months, but in the meantime I bought another one. It's the same one, doesn't have quite the same color, but this knife is it's really awesome. So now I have to. My brother found this one somewhere, so I could have my old knife back. But yeah, this knife, it's just awesome. So you can open tin can with it. You can open bottles with it. The main blade is quite nice. It's stainless steel, actually. Victorinox stainless steel, but it's not really good steel like for this one. But yeah, it's a really nice knife. It cuts pretty well. I'm gonna check. I didn't actually prepare this video, so I did not even sharpen it, but let's see how it cuts. And I use this knife quite a lot, so it's not razor sharp, but let's see if it's razor sharp. Yeah, a little bit. So yeah, it's it can cut. It stays sharp pretty well, and yeah, the main blade is pretty good. It's got another blade on it that I barely use. As you can see, it's pretty dirty because it stays at the bottom of my bag. But yeah, it's I barely use this blade, but it's still really sharp. Actually, it's much more sharper than the other because I don't use it. It has a saw on it, and it cuts really well. I can show you some footage when I made some bow drill, when I prepared some bow drill with it, and yeah, you can cut some like this, I don't know, 2 inches of wood really easy. So blade is it's really awesome. You don't really need it because in an urban environment, but in the woods it's really good. One piece I really like, it's the scissors. I use them all the time, so it's a really nice piece of kit. The scissors are really nice. They cut awesome. I didn't sharpen them for about 15 years. See, it cuts just really nice. And the other one, which is brand new, will cut as well. So yeah. So if you guys need a knife that can do almost anything, and I can bushcraft with it. Last time I found myself to have some time to spare, so while waiting I made this with this knife. So, as you can see, you can do bushcraft stuff with it. You can pretty much do everything with it. I often eat with it. The blade is long enough, so you can cut food with it. It's pretty nice. So, yeah, it's a really nice blade, and you can do pretty much everything with it. If you want to punch holes with it, you can. I barely use this, so not much. This will be useful to hold like a rope, like this. Okay, if you got a rope that's holding, for example, some a pack of food or something, you use this, so you can hold your piece of food with the hook. But I barely use this too. The things I like the most about it is the scissors, the saw, the blade, of course, and yeah, corkscrew sometimes. But yeah, it's a really nice knife. I like it so much that I have two now. So, and I don't even think about getting rid of one, because for the price, it's just awesome knife. So that's the knife I have always with me. The one thing that this knife is missing, actually, it's pliers. So I've looked into waves, Leatherman waves and everything, but I like this knife so much that I decided to buy this instead. So now I have pliers. It's really light, doesn't take any room at all. It's the Leatherman Squirt PS4. And yeah, it's really light. The pliers are pretty good, pretty thin. I can cut wires with it, not really big, thick wires, but I can cut wires with it. And yeah, so the combination, this and this, works just awesome. Pretty light for the pliers, and this will do about everything else. And if I even lose this, I can still have some scissors and a blade and bottle opener with it. So it's pretty nice, and this is just awesome. So the two together, I like it a lot. So I'm a really big fan of knives, but these I have always in my pack. Okay, so to sum up, I really like this knife. It's a big, thick for putting in the pocket, as I said. But it fills the end, so when you're using it, actually it's pretty good, because yeah, it's not really thin, like for example this one. See the difference? And it feels actually much better in the end, because it fills it more. So if you're gonna carve or something, it's gonna be pretty nice. And yeah, so yeah, this knife, it's pretty good. The scissors are awesome, and yeah, if you guys have any question about it, do not hesitate to comment or something. I'll try to answer it. So thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, see you in another one. Bye.